Good morning, folks. It is Sunday, 21st of April, and I'm up in very soggy Glen, Lyon. The plan today is to do the route of 4. I actually only have one to do, the last one, Creag Mhòr, but I'm just going to do the full loop. The weather's not looking too good. I say at one point I was going to sack it and just no bother coming up, but I've got some big trips coming up next month, so I need to keep the fitness up. So I'll bring you back in a bit. This is all ready to go. This is a new parking area. Basically you're not allowed to park up at the original parking, so this is a new bit. Plenty of spaces. I didn't even realise how big it was, so plenty of spaces. I'm actually surprised there's some cars here. I didn't think there'd be any cars here at all, but plenty of spaces. This is the part of the road where you take a left, where the original parking was just over there, so maybe 10-15 minutes extra onto your hike. Not too bad, but to the hill, let's go. This is the point where I've got a decision to make. Do I do the Walk Highlands route, the clockwise route, or do I do it anti-clockwise in case this weather doesn't pick up and bag the Munro first that I would be doing last? I think that's the best option. The weather's actually getting worse. Main objective is to get that Munro done. I'd like to do the loop and get the miles in, but see, you can do it anti-clockwise if it picks up. But I don't know if the GoPro picked it up, but that's over into the Lord's range. A bit of clear bits in the summit, but no much. Looks beautiful, like. I've decided anti-clockwise. Bag this Munro I've not done, and I'll take it from there. Pity that. I was looking forward to it. I checked the weather forecast last night, and I did have to get some rain, but it wasn't later on in the day. I got up this morning, 5 o'clock. First thing I done, checked the weather forecast. Pouring down all day. I sat about for an hour, deciding what am I going to do, what else can I do? I was like, just go for it. Go for it. But steep going, get up this way. Very steep. And pea soup all around. They're not even that high either. Only a couple of 100 metres. Right, so this is the path I picked up the last time when we came off the third Munro. We come along this path and straight down. I'm going to brake right here and head up. A wee bit of a view open up. He asked me to be on the go for an hour and 40 minutes. Currently at the 800 metre mark. A wee bit to go. You can actually see the bit now where we broke off for the last time over here. Came down, followed a burn down, picked up that track. But it's nice when that cloud broke there for a bit. Very nice, but still pouring the rain, so at least the weather forecast hasn't been wrong for the day. Pouring down all day. I doubt I'll go and do the full route. I would like to, but I don't see the point. I really don't see the point. If it was clear to ram it off, I'd have a bash at it. But pointless. It's pointless. And last wee signs of winter. That's us. Last wee 100 metre pull to the summit. Creag's back in. Still raining. That could be hike that. I'm up to the 2 hour mark before I get to the summit, so that'll do. That's us at the summit of Creag Mhòr. That took us 2 hours and 6 minutes and we're at 981 metres. Wee bit pea soupy, but nice when it clears. Yeah, that's me heading down off the summit. The weather's migging. Been pouring the rain till I left the car. That's a good 2 hours I've been in the rain, so I'm not going to go and do the rest of the loop. I don't need to do it. I was just adding it on today if the weather had been nice, just to get some miles under my belt, but at least that's that round done. That was a good wee workout in its own, just doing the single Munro. Oops, get away. So we'll go down after this, get a wee bite to eat, get a brew on. Alright guys, just a wee heads up, some big trips coming up next month. Start of the month, back up in the Fisher Fields. I'm sure we're going with Ali, Paul, Dave, Big Andy. I'm sure that's the ones that's going. I think the rest of the guys are going. Then at the end of the month, that's May, up in Millardock. That's hanging in the balance at the minute. I'm going with my mate Scott. He's carrying a bit of an injury at the minute, so we've got a plan B sorted, but that was the main objective, to go up 3 nights wild camping, bagging 12 Munros. Big ask, a really big ask, probably the hardest thing I've ever done, but as I say, it's hanging in the balance now. So I was hoping this rain would off a wee bit so I can get a brew on, maybe just wait to get to the car, have something to eat in the car, get my brew on there. That brings back a bit. Finally, after 3 hours and 20 minutes, the rain is finally off. Spitting a wee bit, but I'm almost back down onto the main track, not far away from the car. So, quick day today. I made the right call, definitely made the right call. Pea soup, even down at this level, look. Flagged in, flagged in. And 2 minutes later, it's back on. No wonder I'm laughing. This is the lint mill. That's us back onto the main road. Still pouring the rain. I was off for all 5 minutes all day. It was good to get back in the road. Treacherous in there, really slippy. Pure quagmire, bog. This is almost back at the car park. Certainly a lot more motors in it than I thought there would be. Never seen a solar all day. Remember, I'm doing it back to front. So. That's me back at the car. Total stats for today are 3 hours 50 minutes, 7.47 mile and 824 metres ascent. A good wee day, better than I've got the full route in. Weather put paid to that, but I still enjoyed it, good to get out. I could have sat in the house all day and not done nothing. I'm glad I come up and done that Munro still to bag. So if you've managed to watch this far, thanks very much for watching. Please give us a wee thumbs up, a subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.